Gear Up Booster versus Exit Lag. Which is best? So in this video, I will compare Gear Up Booster and Exit Lag to help you decide which one is best for reducing lag, lowering ping, and optimizing gaming performance. So Gear Up Booster provides automatic routing optimization, works globally with various ISPs, and supports multiple devices. It has a user-friendly interface and is for stable connection, so making it a great for both casual and competitive gamers. However, some users report that it may not be as effective for certain games compared to other premium boosters. Exit Lag, on the other hand, is a highly optimized for competitive gaming. So it offers multi-route connection technology, meaning it sends data through multiple paths to find the fastest and most stable one. It also includes built-in FPS. It also includes built-in FPS and a more extensive game database, making it a popular choice for esports players. However, it requires manual tweaking for best results. So, which ones should you choose? If you want plug and play with ease and automatic optimizations, Gear Up Booster is a solid choice. But if you play competitive games and need advanced customization with multi-routing, Exit Lag is a better option. So both offer free trials. So testing them based on your game and network setup is the best way to decide. If you find this helpful, this is how you compare the Gear Up Booster versus Exit Lag. Thanks for watching.